Namaste students, my name is Shweta, I am your maths teacher. See, in your previous class we already discussed the large numbers. In that Indian place value chart I already explained. In this class we will see the international number system or international place value chart. See, by the name itself, it indicates international number system. International number system means it is a standard number system. It is used in most of the countries. For example, Indian number system we will use throughout the India. If you go for any other countries, there they will use their own number system. So all the number system we cannot remember. To overcome this difficulty, we will use the international number system. Let us see what do you mean by international number system. International number system is another method of representing number. It is also having their different periods to or form to read the large number. What are the periods of this international number system? Means ones, thousands, millions, millions after billions, billions after trillions. These are the periods of international number system. As per the international number numeration system, the first comma is placed after 100 place. After 100 place, you have to apply the comma. After that, every three digits, after every three digits, you have to apply the comma. See, in Indian place value chart, after every two digits, after 100 plus every two digits, you have to apply comma. Here, after every three digits, you have to apply the comma. The values of places in the international system of numerations are, what are the place values? Means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. These are the place values. See, you have to remember 1 million is equal to 1,000. 1 billion is equal to 1,000 million. Let us see the difference between the Indian place value chart and the international place value chart. You can observe here both the period number system is one's period is same. See, in Indian place value chart, ones, tens, and hundreds are the place values. In international place value chart, one's period is having ones, tens, and hundreds are the place values of one's period. If you see the Indian place value chart, one's period after thousands period is there. In that, place values are thousands and 10,000. In international place value chart, 1,000 period only is there, but here one thing difference is there. Place values are three place values are there, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. If you see the lakhs period, after in Indian place value chart, after 1,000 period, lakhs period is there. In that, place values are lakhs and 10 lakh. But here in the international place value chart, 1,000 period after million period is there. See, million, 10 million, 100 million are the place values of the million period. You can observe the place values and periods are different in both the place value. Only one's period is same. And let us see the one example. Write the number name of international number system of number. I have given that number. See, before writing the number, you can write the place values above of that number. Then it is easy to write the number name. 72 million, because 72 is in million period. 514 is in thousands period. So 514,869. Once again I will read. 72,514,869 is the number name. International number system, I already explained the difference. You can read this, you can get to know. And see, Indian system is followed by India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. These three countries, they are using this Indian number system. It is still called as Indian number system only, owing to its union India subcontinent during the British rule. Millions and billions are the international units of number system. Here millions and billions, you can see these are the international units of number system. What is the place value? See, in math, every digit in a number has their own place value. Every digit is having their own place value. For example, now I am in home. My place is now in home. Like that only, every digit is having their own place value. Let us see how to define the place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. See, value, what is that value? That value is basis on its position. Where is its position? You have to product that, then the place value will be obtained. Let us see one example, then you can understand. See, I have taken 13,548. Here 1 is in 10,000 plus, 3 is in 1000 plus, 5 is in 100 plus, 4 is in 10s plus, 8 is in 1s place. Place value of 1 is 10,000, because 1 is in 10,000 plus, you have to multiply with 10,000. So 1 into 10,000 is 10,000 only. 3 is in thousands plus, 3 you have to multiply with 1000, 3 into 1000 is 3000. 5 is in 100 plus, 5 you have to multiply with 100, 5 into 100 is 500. 4 is in tens plus, 4 into 10 is 40. 8 is in ones plus, 8 into 1 is 8. Homework. Thank you.